Good day, sir. This is my explanation about sailing direction publication. Sailing direction are nautical publication that provides essential information for coastal navigation and port. They are published by National Hydrographic Office or Coast Guard Agency and are part of carriage requirements defined by the SOLAS Convention. Direction publication play a crucial role in navigation and port approaches by providing detailed, supplementary information to nautical charts. Navigation in port approaches involves guiding ships into a port from the open sea, requiring specialized planning, pilotage, and the use of various navigational aids. Port approaches are distinct from general coastal navigation due to their narrower channel, higher the traffic density, and limited maneuvering space, necessitating carefully planning and decision making. Thank you, sir, for listening my explanation about sailing direction and publication.